Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. An actual home improvement video. Ever since the LA wildfires, I've been thinking a lot about air quality and really want to make a series on how to improve that. But first, we should probably try changing this filter. I have never done it. Let's do some research. Okay, I'm following this video by Learn to DIY. I also found a Reddit comment by an HVAC tech to try not to go above MERV 8. And luckily we have the size written right here. Let's go shopping. I'm back from shopping and went with this FPR5, which is the equivalent to a MERV 8. My plan is to continue using this, and I really liked the video that recommended to buy these in bulk, save a few dollars, because I didn't know we had to change this out every 90 days. I feel like I could stretch that to 4 or 5 months because I don't run the AC or the heating that much. Last thing is to make sure the airflow arrows is that way. For the future, I will be planning on looking into other filters to put into each room. Since we are using a lower rating, it's not going to filter out as well. But my primary focus for this is to not overstress the system with a higher MERV rating. And this one's kind of gross because it hasn't been changed out in a while. But for now, video 268 done.